What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. My hair is a little bit crazy. I'm going to look at Gala games. We look close to reversal. End of this correction. We're sitting at 0.03498. We're up about 5.4 on the day. Seeing market cap 1.16 billion. 24-hour volume 122 million. So if we look at the chart, we have a nice double bottom. This is the 4-hour. We have bullish divergences as price is coming down. Relative strength index is increasing, as well as you're starting to see a nice move on the money flow index. So we could push up from here. Of course, we can come down and create one more lower low. We did break that wick. Right here is that wick low. We did break it with that small wick right there. So we can reverse at any time. Really, your last opportunity to get Gala in the 3-cent range is a high probability. So basically, we've come down in an ABC correction. We filled that wick. We broke below it. And now we're looking to continue back up in this wave 5 of a leading diagonal. So that's what I'm looking at for our friend Gala. If we take a look at our next chart, sitting in that support zone, just waiting to bounce, in my opinion. Basically shake out the weak hands, break below the weekly EMAs just for, a week or 2 weeks, and then break back above them, see continuation. But as you can see, we've already seen a massive pump to the upside and a steep correction. And we've come so far back down to not take the opportunity to buy Gala for a long-term hold would be silly, in my opinion, because really I think this is going to be your last opportunity to get in the 3-cent range. But in the short term, this is the 30-minute chart. We have put in a nice double bottom. So if we come up and we break the neckline of that double bottom, which is right here, and then you can take a measurement. Will take some time, of course, and that could take you all the way up, break the bullish level, take you all the way back up to 0.02437. If we end up rolling over, we come down, we create one more low. It is what it is. Bounce off about 0.03255 before seeing continuation, but we are starting to see some signs of potential reversal. Nice bullish divergence here on the hourly chart as well. That's it for Gala. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign into BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Make your first deposit. It can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Send me email. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.